Hey everyone, it's Norm here from IMCARS, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this steering support limited message in your Porsche. And this applies to any model of Porsche. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn your steering wheel all the way to the right and hold it for about 5 seconds. And then you're going to turn your steering wheel all the way to the left for about 5 seconds. You can actually see it's already cleared the message all on its own. But basically what that does is that reset the car's yaw sensor to let it know that absolutely nothing is wrong. So now you can see that that message is gone, and we'll just shut off the car and we'll lock and unlock it, start it back up, and you're gonna see no more message for the steering support limited. So that is how to fix that message in your Porsche. Hope you guys found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.
All right, if you enjoyed this video, if you could do me a huge favor, click the like button down below, check out some of our other videos on the channel, and be sure to subscribe. It literally takes 1 second, and it helps our channel out grow immensely. I actually like that one the best. The final one's the best.